Rachel
Oh,
and Cameron. We're here in Mackay and we're going to make some lures for the Fishing for Mental Health Facebook page. Michael's running an Easter comp and you got to make your own lure and catch a fish, which is exciting for us because we love silly stuff like this. Silly stuff. We got Baz Dog. Hustle! We've got Baz Dog with us for moral support. Let's put that there. And we have glue.
two lots.
We have little tiny size 8 hooks. We thought about making our own hooks, but it's just a little bit, we want to put the effort into decorating our hooks. Some weights, some split shot sinkers to create the weight. I asked Rachel to get googly eyes, but they're like tuna eyes. I think they're going to be a little bit big for our lures, but they're still fun to play with. We've got some tinsely stuff, some cotton wool, some cotton thread. We've got a chip packet that Rachel threw on the ground, I believe. This is how I used to make lures for catching pike when I was a kid. Silver one side, red the other. Red Doritos were always a winner, and you could basically stick that on your hook and catch pike. We saw the boys catching pike down off the marina wall, off the rocks, the other day. So we've decided to go and chase some pike.
And in our special bag.
In the special bag, while I'm here in Mackay, I've got some work, and the guy I'm working with's got a really cool long goatee. So I went and yoinked some beard hair out of his face after I chased him around work for a while, and I'm going to use his beard hair in my lure, just because I can. Alright, we're going to get started. Come here. Come here. Come back.
Get out of it. Get out of it. Hey. Hey.
I finally got one.
Enjoy. That's all you're getting.
That's going straight on my lure. Oh. It's sticking to me, not the lure.
Same.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Cotton. Let's put it on there like hair. Alright. This is going sideways quickly. Finished lures. Pretty special. Really good glue job. We're thinking of going into lure making as a profession because we're so good at it.
And everybody would buy these for a lot of money.
Rachel's come up with the googly eye squid.
Winner.
Different styles, but they're for sure gonna slay the fish market.
Oh, they're so professional.
Okay, we're gonna try them out. Here we go. A few attempts. Trying to film it with my phone. Here I am down at the harbour. There's a little lure that Rachel and I were making up at home. The Cameron Beard Hair Special. And there's a beautiful little dart. Schools of them chasing my lure in. I finally managed to hook one. Rachel's gone back to the car in disgust. But she'll see this video in a minute. It'll be a bit like, oh, where are you? Okay, he goes back.